This probably has to be one of the most underrated gadgets that you will see in recent times. Yes, they're used a lot commercially, I know that. It is just a simple printer. Yes, I know. It's the Brother P Touch, and this version is PT-65. This one here. Before we turn it on, let me show you what's under the cover right here. It takes 6 AA batteries. Yes, 6 of them right here. I have some rechargeable batteries on it, and yeah, that's what I use most of the time, rechargeable batteries. These tape things, they're actually quite cheap. I think they're around $10 or something like that to buy a whole 4 or 5 pack replacement for it. So $2 something each. That's not really a big deal. And the tape I have right here is the 12 millimeters or half inch. It's the MK231 white. Really nice. This is the cutting button right here. We'll see that in a second. Let me place the cover back in because that's pretty much all you have right here. Just like that. And what was getting me more is especially hard drives. Yeah, you can laugh if you wish. So I was writing like this on my hard drives. And sometimes for some reason, these hard drive makers, they think it's funny to hide the size of the drive somewhere either down here or in this case down here where you cannot. Why not put a piece of number in both of them that you can see, okay, this one is 500 gigs. Okay, this one is 1 terabyte. Put that piece there. It's so easy. But now let me print a label. This is 500 gigs. And here I just put mostly Android apps and stuff related to Android. So we're going to put 500 gigs Android, just Android on this one. And on this one, I'm going to put software main. That's all. And you just turn it on like this. I hope the camera is actually getting it. And we're going to put caps on, and we're gonna put Android. Oh, I forgot the 500 gigs, right? 500 GB Android. Yep, that looks good to me. 500 gigabytes Android, and you just click print right here, and you'll see the paper coming out of here. Yes, this paper is a adhesive paper, so you can peel and stick here. Let me just click print, and it says print right there. And we should start seeing the paper come out right there on the back, just like this. Okay, the print is done. Now we click this cutter to cut this piece of paper. Boom, it clicks, and it is ready. And that is what we wrote right here. 500 GB Android. Let me just peel it from here, just like that. Okay, and stick it to the drive. Finally, I don't need to put Sharpies on it. Boom. Now I know what's in this drive right away. It says 500 GB Android, and that's what I need. And let me print another one really quick for this one. Software main, 1 terabyte software main. Okay, numbers, 1, numbers again, TB, software main, Perfect. And we just click print again and wait for the paper to just pop from the side. As you see, slowly, boom, it's printing, and we just cut it when it's done printing. Yep, it's done. Now it stopped. Click it, and we have our label made that easy and quick. It says 1 terabyte, software main, just what we wanted. And I'm going to stick it to this drive probably this way, really quick. Okay, and I'm going to put it just like this. Software main, 1 terabyte, because that's what I want to see here. The only thing I want to see here. Perfect, that's all I need. Now it says 1 terabyte software main, and as you saw, within seconds. And one better good thing about this label maker is that it's really portable and nice, and it's really good, especially when it comes to electric panels, to label the breakers, especially the breakers. Really, it excels on that, because now you can print, for example, let's say bedroom or bedroom 1, let's say. Here, bedroom 1, just like that, and print. And now when you get it done, you just take this piece and stick it next to the breaker that the bedroom 1 corresponds to. And it's easy to read, easy to see, and it was that easy to print and have the label ready. And probably a lot of you know about them. because you've used it on business and offices and all that. Or if you're an electrician, probably you know about it to make labels for what I just mentioned. Or you can make labels like that for cable management in computers too. So for example, HDMI, let's say I have in front of me, for example, right now, 5 monitors. And the plugs or HDMI, DisplayPort, whatever you have, go on the graphics card. But for example, I want to know which one is the LG on the right side, LG on the left side, HP on the bottom, I don't know, Dell on top, Dell on the top, left, right. However, you just put, for example, Dell bottom in this label, you peel it and stick it around that cable that comes out of the graphics card like this. So when you pick that cable, you just check, oh yeah, this is this monitor. So I know what this is for. And it is just that simple. Seriously, I really don't know how a lot of people are not even probably aware of this thing's existence, even though this has been around, I would say, almost forever. And somehow I put the case, okay, now it's good. And it has existed for millennia, well, not millennia, but you know what I mean, quite a few years. And it is that easy to use. It requires zero software, no network, no connections, nothing. It actually has zero connections. You cannot connect it to anything if you wanted to. As you see, there's no ports. This is for a lanyard. And this is where the paper comes out, the cutter, and nothing else. Even inside, there's no connection ports at all. The biggest parts of it are just the 6 batteries, AA's, and the paper itself, the printer paper, and that is all. And just, in my opinion, I think it's worth every single penny that it costs. Because seriously, it does a good job. Because now I don't need to squib. I have literally over 200 different hard drives. Over 200. Some of them are 5 terabytes. Some of them are 160 gigabytes. Some of them contain software. Some of them contain family photos. Some of them contain family videos. Some of them contain recoveries. It's just a mess to remember. Or put the marker, and as you see, it starts wiping away. So when you put one of these, boom, now I know what's on it right away. I don't need to guess. So yeah, these printers are seriously that good. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, this video was not sponsored or approached by Brother at all or any of their affiliates. This is bought with my own money. Yes, my own money. Just so I could show you. Yes, I bought it a while ago because I use it a lot. But today I just remembered that, oh, maybe a lot of people might need to know about how to make these labels. And now you know. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe, and bye.